Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines as we work through this midweek. Reminder, City of Fitchburg is hosting several public information sessions to provide an opportunity for the community members to learn more about the upcoming referendum in November. These information sessions will be held on the following dates and times. Next one is going to be on Monday, September 30th at 6 p.m. at City on the Hill Church, 2924 Fish Hatchery Road, followed by October 9th at noon. There'll be a virtual meeting only. On October 17th, we're back on the road at Fire Station number 3, 2950 South Thyme Road. October 21st at 6 p.m. we're at Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. And on October 28th at 6 p.m. we'll be hosting a virtual session there of specifically, again, just virtually all of these talking about the referendum. Starts with a presentation, then opens it up for questions for you if you have any. We did record the first two sessions so far. They're available on the referendum website. You can check that out at fitchburgwi.gov for more information. In-person absentee early voting for the November 5th general election has begun. In-person absentee voting will take place at the Fitchburg Room at the Community Center located at 5510 Lacey Road. And regardless of your polling location, Fitchburg residents only. Photo ID is required for in-person absentee early voting that can be found at our clerk's website, and you are able to register for absentee voting during the same visit. Register to vote here if you would like on our website beforehand, or again, you can register in person when you come out to the municipal clerk's office. For your in-person absentee voting hours, that will begin on October 22nd. So absentee voting via mail is already out there, but in-person starts on October 22nd. It goes October 22nd through the 25th from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's Tuesday through Friday. And then October 26th through, on October 26th will be 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. On Saturday, October 28th, will be 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Actually, I'm thinking of saying that wrong. I want to make sure I get that right. That's 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the 26th. On the 28th through the 30th, it'll be 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Then the 31st, it'll be the 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. And November 1st, that's through Halloween, it'll be 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. All these dates, by the way, on our website at fitchburgwi.gov. If you'd like to request a ballot via mail, request that ballot be mailed to you. You have to go to the My Vote website. That's myvote.wi.gov to fill out your application. And of course, you'll fill in and need identification to get that mailed over to you. Information on IDs to bring for voting is available at Bring It to the Ballot. That's bringit.wi.gov, where you can learn more about that. And deadline to request an absentee ballot for the November 1st at 5 p.m. So please make sure if you're interested in getting one of those that you get there on the website and get that filled out before the 1st of November. Again, all that information's online. Plus, we share the links when we share up our stories each and every time, so you can check that out. All right, Traceway Drive closure to tell you about. Traceway Drive will be closed from Post Road to Fish Hatchery Road starting on Tuesday, October 1st, as Badgerland installs a water service on behalf of the City of Fitchburg. The work is expected to be completed by the end of the day, but may extend into Friday, October 4th. We'll keep you posted on that, but that road will be closed during that time. Over to the Fitchburg Public Library on fall recipes with Thyme, Savor, Cuisine. This sounds like a lot of fun. Thursday, September 26th, fall into the autumn cooking with presentation on seasonal recipes with Chef Laura Eller on Thyme, Savor, Cuisine. Space is limited. Register now, 608-729-1763, or stop by the registration desk, reference desk to get signed up. New member to the Fitchburg Fire Department to tell you about. Yesterday morning, the department welcomed the newest career staff firefighter. His name is Jake Lynch. Welcome to the Fitchburg Fire Department as he got sworn in our council chambers, surrounded by other fire staff there. And we do want to welcome aboard to Fitchburg. And sticking with fire department, as a reminder, as we head into the colder months, it's time to check those smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Make sure you change the batteries per the manufacturer instructions. Replace those every 10 years or older and test them. Have a great night, everybody.